I thought about saying Will Ferrell.
What a gorgeous man.
Yeah.
Is Dolly Parton a pop star?
I didn't want to put myself in danger.
That's probably a good thing.
Yeah.
Connor, what is Olivia's go-to Christmas tipple?
Ooh,
What's a tipple?
like a drink?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hot chocolate.
Nice!
Nice.
I'm impressed with that.
Nice.
I thought it was going to be an alcoholic one, but hot chocolate, it's wholesome.
I couldn't think of an alcoholic Christmas
No.
drink. Well, a splash of Baileys.
Splash of Baileys.
Just a skosh.
Olivia, what is Connor's favourite Christmas film of all time?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
L.
It's a Wonderful Life. Oh God. I mean,
No, you have said this.
It would have been
no,
one of the two.
it was one of the two. Yeah, that was my bad.
Connor, Olivia has been tipped to star as what iconic star in an upcoming biopic?
I've got no idea. Channel it to me. It's not working. Okay, give me some clues. Also, are you definitely playing this person?
No. I
right.
know. It's like an internet thing.
Oh, I see. Got you.
Yeah.
Got you. 3, 2, 1.
Britney
Dolly
Spears.
Parton. Is Dolly Parton a pop star? She's more like country.
Yeah, more country. But that was a good guess.
Thank you.
And I love Dolly Parton.
Olivia, which celebrity has left Connor the most starstruck?
I might have to tap out of this one.
Tap
You're gonna
out
have
of
to
it.
tell me because I genuinely don't even know.
When I met Ryan Gosling
Oh, I
on
could have
Mission
tried.
Impossible, that was quite a big moment for me. Would you have got that?
You know what? I did think about Will Ferrell,
Yeah.
but I don't know if I would have guessed Ryan Gosling. I thought about saying Will Ferrell.
What a gorgeous man.
Yeah.
Connor, what was Olivia's favourite thing about filming in London?
I think you liked shooting in London around Christmas time.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Snow globy.
Super snow globy. Super. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that was. It didn't feel real. Like it kind of
I
felt.
think your least favourite thing was perhaps the temperature.
The temperature was not my fave.
That was pretty hard. But I think you liked the festivity.
I did. I really did.
Did you go to Winter Wonderland, Olivia?
I really did. I rode some rides. I had some hot chocolate.
Did you ice skate?
I didn't ice skate. No, I
probably
didn't
a
want to
good
put
thing.
myself in danger.
Probably a good thing.
Yeah.
Olivia, how does Connor unwind after a day of filming?
I'm just gonna take a guess.
Go for it.
I feel like I don't actually know, but I
don't
think
know.
my version of what I think you do is you go home.
I definitely do that.
You go home, you hang out with your family, your dogs,
Yeah,
your
you're right.
cats, your farm.
I hang out at my farm, that's true.
Yeah, and that's how you unwind, just being with your people.
Yeah.
And
Connor, who has Olivia got on repeat at the moment?
So this is a song or a person that you're listening to a lot. I have no idea. The Chicago musical.
yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just listened to that musical over and over and over again. Great guess.
Yeah, I don't know.
There's an artist called Role Model
Okay.
that I listen to a lot. He's got great stuff.
Nice.
Probably Role Model. Yeah,
I would love to see you as a Sally, Olivia. Come on.
that'd be fun. That would be very fun.
Olivia, what would Connor say his dream role is?
Do you know?
Not really.
Some people say James Bond.
Did you do James Bond? I could see you as a James Bond. I could also see you do, I don't know who at the top of my head, but I could see you in a biopic. I feel like that would be a fun thing for you to do.
That would be cool, yeah. That would
Yeah.
be cool.
Thank you so much, guys. It's been lovely speaking to you, and
Thank you.
congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
We should get going. Partner.
Partner? It's an American thing, you know. Howdy, partner.